Please stay until the end of the video. We have very important information about the 300 subscribers giveaway. Let's talk about tea tree oil. The origin of this tree is Australia. It's fungicide, antiseptic, insect repellent, deodorant, and muscle relaxer. One of its frequent uses is in the treatment of fungus in the nails of the hands and feet. Dilute 10 drops in water and soak your hands for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Do the same in the fungus of your toenails. The fungus will disappear little by little. Remember, 10 minutes, at least 10 days. You will see the difference. If you have muscle pains, prepare the bath tube with your favorite soap and add 20 drops inside. Immerse your whole body and relax. Maybe for 30 minutes. You will be like new in that time. If you have flies or mosquitoes in your house, put a drop on each corner of your bed or sofa. This will scare them away. To keep breath fresh, add 5 drops to a glass of water and gargle. This kills bacteria naturally and eliminates bad breath. Do not swallow. Good. It is so fresh. If you have pimples, take 2 cotton swabs and dip them lightly in the oil. Gently tap on each of the pimples before going to bed at night. They will dry and won't leave any scare. Caution: do not use if you think you are pregnant or nursing. Keep out of the reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes and sensitive areas, and never ingest. Now tell me if you have another idea about how to use tea tree oil. 300 subscribers giveaway will close Thursday the 26th. The announcement of the winners will be on Saturday the 28th on my Facebook site at 1 p.m. USA Eastern Time. Take your chance now if you haven't joined. See you on Saturday. Remember,